Welcome to our 2025 guide on how to share bets on FanDuel. Whether you're a seasoned bettor or just starting, sharing bets can enhance your social experience. Sharing bets is not just about winning. It's about the camaraderie and fun that comes with betting together. Let's walk through creating a bet to share with friends. Open the FanDuel app and select your preferred sporting event. After setting your bet, click on the Share button. This allows you to select how and where to share your bet. From social media to messaging apps, FanDuel allows you to share your bets effortlessly. Choose your favorite platform. Enhance engagement by customizing your shared bets. Add personal notes or images that resonate with your friends. Before sharing, check your privacy settings to control who can view your bets. Stay in charge of your information. Avoid common errors like sharing unclear bets or sending them to the wrong crowd. Precision is key. Always promote responsible betting when sharing with friends. It's about having fun, not risking more than you can afford. In conclusion, sharing bets enhances social engagement and fun. Remember to share wisely and responsibly.